Hello, my darling Fumination. How are you? How are we? My name is Fumidesaluvold. For those of you that are stopping by for the very first time, you're so very welcome indeed. Baby, we're having a meet and greet on the 20th of July. I cannot wait to see all of you there. We are having the most fabulous, the most wonderful Summer Splash Fumination meet and greet on the 20th of July here in London, United Kingdom at the Novotel Hotel in Hammersmith. We are going to have goodie bags. I will be updating this event on a weekly basis just to include all of the brands that are going to be coming. We have special guests, my darlings. Oh my God. And the event is going to be from 1 to 6. And darlings, for the first time ever, you are going to have an exclusive to my brand. I am so excited. I cannot wait for you guys to be there. We are also going to have vendors. We have fashion. We have style. And for those of you that are coming from different countries, get in touch with Sabali Travel. They will book your flights for you. They will book your hotel rooms for you. They are the absolute best, and they booked for Fumination last year. We're going to take pictures together. We're going to have a fabulous lunch. We're going to have fabulous cake, fabulous drinks, music, dancing. There are going to be giveaways. There are going to be prizes to be won. There is so much going to be going on. It's really an extravaganza. It is the Fumination extravaganza, and all of the brands that I love for my skin, for my hair, Healthy Hair Studio, it's going to be there. The makeup, it's going to be there. All the sweets and all the treats. It's an extravaganza. It's going to be a day to remember. And yes, my darling, it's a family occasion, so the children can absolutely come. Absolutely come. We are going to have fabulous day, and it's going to be on a Sunday. On a Sunday, my darlings. So come along, come with the family, and be ready to be entertained. Get ready to be motivated. Get ready to be inspired with the special guests that we have. It is going to be like no other. And I did this especially for you, to show my gratitude for all that you have done for me all of these years. You're going to live for it. Tickets are below. What am I wearing? I am wearing simple racerback t-shirt, must be H&M. And then the skirt is by Other Fridays. I absolutely love it. Super, super, super duper cute. And it has a blouse as well. I just didn't feel like wearing it because it's very warm today. And it's got long sleeves. It's really, really pretty. And it's a matchy. So it's like that. Or should I put it like that? See? Love it, love it, love it. But I just decided to wear the skirt today. So why are we here? Well, I posted a picture of our beautiful, beautiful Toni Braxton. And I love Toni. I live for her. Why all of this hoopla about Toni Braxton? Well, Toni's wonderful son graduated. It was his graduation day. And Toni Braxton showed up in this outfit. And you know, I sincerely thought that she kind of got the days mixed up. That she was planning to go out with Birdman on some kind of cute, sexy dinner and treat afterwards. And she kind of just got it really, really mixed up. And she found herself kind of, you know, perhaps a little bit hungover as sorts, and showed up at her son's graduation like this. I went to her Instagram because I really wanted to see what I was looking at. And I thought it was a mini skirt. It's actually a sheer skirt. I have a skirt like this. Yes, I do. I have a skirt like this, and I I'm mature enough, I'm mature enough to know now that I can't be going out like this. It's not going to work, Fums. And I still don't even mind if she went out and she was going out on a date with her man. I just don't understand. I don't understand. And I'm not anybody to be squeamish or anything. I am kind of impressed. No, I'm kind of surprised. Maybe somebody said something, I don't know. That nobody told her that this was inappropriate amongst young adults and other parents. It's worse than I thought, because if it was a mini, it would have just stopped there. But it was a whole skirt. Inappropriate to the hilt. Inappropriate to the hilt. I don't get it. And I thought to myself, Fumi, bring it up, because we now have the Cannes Film Festival going on in France. And Cannes has now released a statement saying that there'll be no more nudity. I think they're watching my videos. I don't know. I think they're watching my videos. No more nudity and no more long trains. To the point that Halle Berry had to change last minute to something else. And Heidi Klum said, I'm not changing because I don't have another dress. You can't just announce this last minute when I've already traveled from the United States. I'm coming out here with my long train, of which I did not mind because it was such a beautiful, beautiful dress. But indecency is out and will not be tolerated by anybody at all. When you look at the comment section, it tells you right there with 7,312 likes. Why would she wear, I'm talking about Toni Braxton here, why would she wear that to her son's graduation? Second one, she went to her son's graduation in panties. Inappropriate, embarrassing outfit and choice. Now, my mama would have had to sit her lace sasa in the car because, like, what the hell? Somebody said she thought she was still at the funeral in Kingdom Come, and I can't unsee it. I mean, it's constant. The funeral at a strip club attire. Yeah. Toni, baby, you're such an icon that you would have been trending anyway. This was unnecessary. It was about your baby and you couldn't let him have this moment. Shaking my head. Cover it up. All these kind of emojis. It was constant because it was glaringly obvious that this was inappropriate. It was inappropriate, Toni. Inappropriate. There is nothing that you can say about this. Nothing that you can come back from. It just was not cool. It was not cool at your son's graduation where all of his friends are going to be. We have to be careful because I'm a boy mom too. And at the end of the day, this is not it. It's just inappropriate. And I know some of you will say, Fumi, oh, you have a mouth on you now. Now you're talking. You didn't say anything about Halle Berry's outfit to, where was it again? To the Met Gala. I didn't see it. I did it, the angle that she was at, the picture that I was looking and judging her on. I didn't see it until you brought my attention to it. And then when I did see it, I agreed that it was inappropriate. And I was also given, well, I guess the designer who dressed her, tips that they should have had paneling on the side, nude paneling. Because in my mind, honestly, I thought they had to have put nude paneling, that they would have put paneling. Why wouldn't you have put nude paneling? You know, so I didn't think that Halle Berry's dress was appropriate either. I just really didn't see it. And in my mind, I thought that it had nude mesh paneling in the strategic areas. What do I think about nudity? Do I like it? Yes, I do. At the appropriate time, at a swimming pool, at a beach, when you are wearing minimal clothing. And let us say, for example, Toni Braxton had like a bikini or a swimsuit under this. And then she had like a, sheer lace thingy to cover herself up. It's beautiful. I think that's beautiful. I think that we'll create pieces like that just for you to feel comfortable in, but to come to your son's graduation, he's going to have these graduation pictures forever. I remember when my mama came to my graduation and then to look back and just think, Ma, And then on top of that, you're a celebrity. You have access to the most beautiful clothes ever. Every single, there's nothing that Toni you can't wear. On top of which, you've got a sensational figure, beautiful body. You look gorgeous. You've gone back to your little short hair, which sent me back to, the 2000s and the 1990s, to all of your wonderful songs. And it's not to bash you, and don't feel like it's a sister bashing episode. No, we have to talk about it to also legitimize others who are thinking, well, Toni wore it, must be okay. That is not okay. And it doesn't sit well across the board. I have been listening to all of the arguments, and nobody signed off on this. I individually was just scrolling by when I saw it. Or was it that Fumination sent it to me? Maybe it was Fumination. Maybe Fumination sent it to me, because you always send me things for me to comment on, and not fabulous. Not fabulous at all. That's all I can say. So that's my little tidbits for you there. Let me know whether you live and love. Whether you live and love, and I'll see you sooner than later. Mwah! Don't forget to like, to subscribe, hit the notification button. All of my love.
Hi guys, my name is ENITAN, hair coach. I am UK's first ever hair coach and a trichologist. We are a team of trichologists and hair coaches here in W6 London, and we help those who are desperate and have tried and everything else has failed. We look after those who have chronic scalp concerns, flaky, itchy scalp that's been going on for many years. We help those that have hair loss that has progressed instead of improved, and we help those that just generally want to have a better understanding of better quality hair, length, volume, and reduce that dryness. Visit us by clicking.
The value of the information that we were given. So it's not overwhelming. It was very clearly laid out. It was accessible even for someone that's not familiar with public relations.
Now I'm leaving, feeling more PR ready. What I thought I knew, I now know more. What I came to do, I've done so much more.
If you are serious about really growing your business or growing your brand, then this is really this is a must.
And I love the fact that I came away from it feeling and knowing that I now have a clear pathway for the things I want to do next for my business.
I'm literally in awe.
I feel like I can pitch. There's so many platforms that I've wanted to go on, so many podcasts or just things that I thought I can only dream about. But in this retreat and just through the classes and the sessions, I really learned how to actually reach out to those platforms, to those huge platforms.
Know that when it comes to PR, Nina gonna put you together, okay? During our sessions, how she walked us through the playbook and she had us complete tasks. It gave us a sense of clarity.
Nina, you did that. You brought a group of amazing women together and you helped us bond, see our worthiness, and it was everything I could have dreamed of and more.
Yes, it's really been a unforgettable experience.
This is by far the most impactful few days I've had in a very long time.
Nina, you have no idea how profoundly your journey has impacted my journey.
Don't even think about not signing up.